Hi, and welcome back to Gardening During COVID-19. Today, I want to talk about ornamental grasses. No, not the lawn. No, not the stuff people smoke. This stuff right here. And the first question might be, why would you want ornamental grass? And I have several reasons. First of all, they all love the sun, so don't try growing ornamental grass in the shade. But if you have sunshine, you have an opportunity to grow something that's quite handsome, can grow quite tall, makes a wonderful screen. Some of these ornamental grasses will grow over 3 meters high. So yeah, they do make a good screen. They tend to branch out, that is, they tend to start to grow fairly late in the spring, and that's why I cut them down in the spring. I cut them down now. I cut them down before they start to grow later in May and through June, and they love heat. They love it dry, they love it heat. If you're a cottager, you're looking for something that grows well in the city and that grows well virtually anywhere, and you can ignore it. Ornamental grasses. This is called miscanthus, by the way, and there are all kinds, like over 100 different kinds of ornamental grasses to choose from. And to cut them down is really very simple. You need a good pair of hand pruners like this Mark's Choice pair right here. And I'm going to go right down to the bottom of the plant, and I'm going to do this. Nothing to it really. And I'll go through and I'll cut this whole thing down right to the ground, like so, that all that's left is maybe 3 or 4 centimeters of growth. And then it'll explode out of the ground when we get some hot weather. But in the meantime, what I had over the winter was a wonderful stand of sort of winter interest, and the seed heads were perfect. The seed heads were perfect for birds who foraged on the seed heads through the winter months. So lots of reasons to grow them. Now is the time to go out and cut them down, and we'll have lots more for you, so stay tuned. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com.